Epic Games recently laid off a terminally ill employee, and his family immediately lost his life insurance. It's a tragedy that highlights how vulnerable American workers are when their benefits are tied to their jobs. The story came from a Reddit post on Artar Gaming and quickly sparked outrage. A terminally ill father working at Epic Games was included in a round of layoffs. When he lost his job, he lost his employer-provided life insurance. His family now faces not just the loss of their loved one, but potential financial devastation without the death benefit they were counting on to cover funeral costs and support his dependents. Many people in the discussion conflated health insurance with life insurance, but they're different things. Health insurance covers medical treatment while you're alive. Life insurance pays out when you die. Helping families cover burial expenses and maintain housing when they've lost an income earner. This case is primarily about life insurance, though the broader point about employment-based coverage applies to both. Here's the uncomfortable reality. This isn't unique to Epic Games or even the gaming industry. Things exactly like this happen in the United States constantly whenever anyone is laid off. The US system ties insurance to employment, which creates immediate vulnerability when workers lose their jobs. It's a systemic problem that affects millions of Americans across every sector. When someone loses employer-provided life insurance, their family can be left unable to afford funeral and burial costs. They may lose their ability to maintain housing or support children and other dependents. The financial impact hits at the worst possible moment during grief and medical crisis. Some in the gaming community have pointed out that workers in their industry have remarkably few protections. One commenter noted that the porn industry has better laws to protect talent than the gaming industry does. Though this reflects more opinion than verified comparison, the broader question this raises is whether employment should be the mechanism that determines whether families have financial protection. Many people believe the current system creates unnecessary cruelty, forcing families to navigate insurance paperwork and coverage gaps during medical emergencies and end-of-life situations. Epic Games isn't legally required to maintain life insurance for laid-off employees. No US company is. That's part of the problem that keeps repeating itself across industries. This story went viral because it put a human face on a policy failure that usually stays hidden in statistics. The gaming community is asking whether the industry that entertains millions can afford to treat its workers better. What do you think companies owe employees facing terminal illness?